everyone, welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today I'll be showing you another air fryer recipe. I'm going to share to you how I make this banana mango crispy spring roll. If you want to learn how I make this, please keep on watching. That was super crispy, huh? And here's our ingredients. What I have here is a plantain banana, or this is called saba in the Philippines. You could also substitute this with Thai banana, which you could find at the Asian market or any international market. Also have there is a spring roll wrapper or an egg roll wrapper, cinnamon powder, and a brown sugar. You're also going to need a ripe mango, or if there's no fresh mango, you could use a frozen mango. I recommend the Walmart brand because they are super sweet. So we're just gonna peel off the banana, just like how you peel a banana, and just get that flesh or the meat out and just place it on a plate. Once you completed that, we're going to slice this into half, which slice this in the middle. Now, if you're going to do this for business purposes, you could actually slice this into 3. But since I'm making this for my family, I'm going to slice this into 2, which slicing them in the middle, just like that. And just place it on the plate. And continue on with the rest of the bananas. And into our spring roll wrapper or egg roll wrapper, make sure to separate them and make sure this is thawed out, and put like a damp cloth on top of it so the ends of it will not get hardened and it's easy for you to fold. Just place that on the side, and now we're going to mix our brown sugar and our cinnamon powder. Traditionally, you don't have to use cinnamon powder, but I like the combination of the cinnamon and the brown sugar with this banana spring roll. Just use about 4 tablespoons of the brown sugar and about 1/2 teaspoon of the cinnamon powder. I will put the ingredients listed down below in the description box. Now let's start rolling. We are going to start with just making the traditional or the plain banana rolls, which is we call turon in the Philippines. So just rolled up banana, covered it with that mixture of brown sugar and cinnamon. Roll it forward securely or tightly. Roll or fold. Use the water. Just dump a water or pat a water into the edge of the roll to secure the edge. Fold it in just like that. It's just like you're folding a clothes basically, and roll it forward and secure the ends again with the water, or you could use egg wash. I'm using here is just a cold water. And that's it. And now let's move into the banana mango spring rolls. So traditionally we use jackfruit, I mean. And I don't have that handy, so I decided to use a mango instead, because I have this ripe mango that I got from Costco and it's gonna go bad, so I decided to use that, and I'm glad I did it because when I made it the first time it was really good. This is actually better than using the jackfruit. So just scoop that in and slice this into thinly slices, or it's really up to you how you want to do it. Just make sure you have tiny pieces of the mango. Put that banana rolled with brown sugar and cinnamon and put the mango on top of it. Roll it forward just like this. Secure the edge using a water, fold it in, and roll it forward or fold it, and again secure it with the water. And do the rest the same way. Let me show you again how I did this. So again, just grab a spring roll wrapper and the banana covered with the cinnamon and brown sugar mixture. Put as many as mango as you want. That's really up to your preference. Fold this in forward or roll forward tightly and dab a water at the edge of the spring roll and just fold that in the middle to secure it. And then once that's in, fold it forward again and secure that with the water. And again, do it for the rest of the spring rolls. So this is set to go. That's the one with the mango, and this is the one just plain because my daughter don't care for the one with the mango, which I don't know why. And I'm gonna use a coconut oil, but you could use avocado oil or any oil you want to use. I don't want to recommend the vegetable oil because I don't know, it just make it more too oily. So make it as healthy as possible. What I have here is just a plain banana and with the cinnamon and brown sugar, and I'm gonna brush this with the coconut oil. Again, it's up to you what kind of oil you're gonna use. This is just a coconut oil. It makes it crispy, and also it turns the outside of the spring roll brown. And pop this in the air fryer. Cook it for 10 minutes on 350 degrees. And then after 10 minutes, flip it on the other side, and we're going to brush this again with the coconut oil. Brush just gently, not like to soak it with oil. This is what air fryer is supposed to be, less oil. If you have a spray, if you want to use that, you're welcome to do so. Pop it back in the air fryer, cook it for 5 minutes, and this is done. So remove this and place it on your serving plate. And now let's continue on using our banana mango spring rolls. So the same process, just place those spring rolls into the basket, brush it with the coconut oil. And if you have organic coconut oil, that's fine. Again, it's up to your preference. And we're going to cook this in the air fryer on 350 degrees for 10 minutes. And we're just gonna cook this for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, same process, flip this on the other side and brush it with the coconut oil. Once you're done brushing it with the coconut oil, pop this back in the air fryer and cook it for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, there is the banana mango crispy spring roll. It is super good, guys. It is super delicious. I like this better than using the jackfruit. And the jackfruit, it's hard to find it. The mango, you could find it even at your local grocery store, as long as it's ripe. This is best pair with the ice cream or dip it with the coconut caramel sauce. And this is how I make the coconut caramel sauce. Just 1 can of coconut milk, add a vanilla and a brown sugar. Let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until thickened, just like this. And this is good to go. Simple as that. And then you could dip the banana mango crispy spring roll into this coconut caramel sauce, and it's super delicious. I hope you like this video. Please come back and see us, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Again, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your support. Ciao!